Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to delete all screenshots at once on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap plus sign on top right. Then tap Search Actions. Type Find Photos and hit Find Photos. Tap Add Filter. Now tap Album. From this list, select is a screenshot. Then again tap Search Actions, search for Delete Photos and hit Delete Photos. Now tap down arrow button beside Delete Photos and tap Rename. Type Delete All Screenshot. Tap Done and you will see new shortcut created. Tap and hold on newly created shortcut and tap Details. Tap Add to Home Screen. Now you can choose icon color and icon. Tap Add on top right. New shortcut created on your iPhone home screen. To ensure Shortcuts app has permission to bulk delete, open Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap Apps. Scroll down and tap Shortcuts. Tap Advanced. Simply turn on the button beside Allow deleting large amounts of data. Go back and close Settings app. Now, if you would like to delete all your screenshots at once, simply run your newly created shortcut. Allow this shortcut to delete all your screenshots. You can check Show All. To delete all your screenshots from your iPhone, simply tap Delete button. This will delete all screenshots from iPhone. So these are the steps to delete all screenshots at once on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.